Welcome back. We're going to look at how you install bricks into WordPress and how it looks in the backend. First things first is you have to head on over to your account page, and from here you click the download bricks theme, the latest one over here. If for some reason you want to go for a previous version, you're not happy with the current release, there are all the old ones to choose from, many to choose from, but the latest one is the greatest. For those adventurous ones out there, the beta versions also appear here. There's currently one in working, and I have a suspicion by the end I'm done with this, there's a few UI changes where the style manager is going to appear. Those things may move around a little bit, so just be aware of that. Go ahead and click on Download Bricks Theme. Back in WordPress, let's go and install it. Remember it said Bricks Theme. You may be inclined to go to Plugins and add it as a plugin, but as it is a theme, under Appearance, you go to Themes. Then Add Theme, Upload Theme, and then open your Finder, your Explorer, get the zip you downloaded, and open, select Install Now. Life is still precious when you see this screen. Activate, and everything drops in. Bricks is now here in the navigation sidebar on the left, and on the right it will say activate your license, something you will have to do. Bricks is giving me this warning, and it's got nothing to do with Bricks or your WordPress. It's everything because I am using local, and that is with this SSL. Even though I say trusted, it's not yet set up within WordPress. So Bricks says please update your WordPress URLs under Settings General. So what I will do, I'll do that first, just so that this annoying box can disappear. Go to my Settings, General, WordPress address bar here, and site address. All I do is I add an S after the P, so it becomes HTTPS. The S is just that security, the SSL. Scroll to the bottom, select Save Changes, and from here it wants me to sign in again. I will do that. What is my sign in? Let me remember that. And then the password. I'll select Remember Me just in case and login. And I can even save it. Next time it will be much easier. Once I've gotten rid of that little box, the next one is to activate the license. Select Activate License. And for this, you hop on back into your Bricks account, go to Licenses, and copy your license from there. I'm not going to show you, of course. You get your license, you copy, come back, paste your license, and activate license. Let's have a look at what has happened in the back end. First, we go to Appearance and Themes, and you can see Bricks has been installed as a theme, and it is activated, runs here, and then in the navigation sidebar on the left, we have Bricks as a label here. Select, and this will give you the Getting Started page. There's a lot of good stuff here, getting started, some tutorials for that, and you can check the rest out. We have here also templates, settings, a lot of settings in Bricks. We'll cover a few of them in Module 1. We'll add more as it go on. Many other page builders, you hardly work that often with settings, but Bricks gives you a lot of control over things that you didn't even know you wanted control over. Under the settings, you have elements. All the elements that appear in Bricks will be here, and you can disable those that you are never going to use. The majority of the elements within page builders I don't use. I stick to the basics and then a few strange ones here and there. And it's nice just to disable them. It makes less cluttered, but we leave them all on for now. In Module 2, we'll bring in custom fonts. So we'll do that here. And then nice feature here, sidebars. We'll talk about that in Module 3. Then you have your system information and, of course, where we have added the license. And that is everything in the backend for Bricks. Now we can start building.